everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm posting this quick video on how I do my eyebrows. So I decided to do this because I'm always posting videos where my eyebrows are already done because my videos are always so long. So right here I'm just filling them in. I like to draw the shape of them and then fill them in. So I use nail cream to shape them. I usually do it every 2 to 3 weeks until I really see it growing out too much where I need to do them again, because my concealer pretty much covers everything. But I actually use foundation to shape my eyebrows. So right here I'm just trying to make sure that they're gradient in the middle like how I like them, and sharp at the end of the tail. So, eyebrows are meant to be sisters, not twins, but I still strive to make them twins. Perfect. Alright, so now I'm using foundation to shape my eyebrows in. So I like to use foundation instead of concealer because when it blends in, it will match your skin a lot better, especially if you're not wearing full coverage foundation for the day. So this is actually what I do on a regular day basis. So I like to shape them and then blend them out. So on a regular day, like I'll do this and then I'll put some Trophy Wife on the corner of my eyes and put on some mascara and call it a day. But if I'm doing full coverage, I don't mind putting on some light concealer so my eyebrows will pop out a lot more. So if you want to know what shade foundation I use the Fit Me foundation in 332, and the concealer I used in Fenty Beauty is 310. The foundations and the concealers for Fenty actually they match with each other, but you could tell that it's a lot lighter than the foundation. So if I was to find a concealer by her, I would need to probably get like 330 for it to match my skin tone. Nice. So now I'm just, fixing the shape more. Now, you don't have to do this, but I like to because it makes my eyebrows pop out a lot more. And I just make sure it's blended because it's foundation, so you can't really see the marks that much. I just like how more shaped they look when I shape it from the top. Well, like I said, it's optional because on some days, like I'll only shape the bottom. But I'm about to record my other video, so that's why I'm here doing everything. This is actually the video I recorded right before I did the 1920s look. But I decided why not do an eyebrow video because I never showed you guys how I do my eyebrows. And I tend to be asked about how I do my eyebrows, so why not show it right here? So here are my almost twin eyebrows. I really hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.